Pav Bhaji. Pav Bhaji is a popular street food dish from Mumbai, India. It consists of a spicy vegetable curry, bhaji, made with mashed vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, onions, peas, and capsicum, flavored with a blend of spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, and red chili powder. The bhaji is served with soft, buttered bread rolls called pav, which are lightly toasted on a griddle or tawa. To make Pav Bhaji, the vegetables are boiled, mashed, and then sautéed in a blend of spices until they form a thick, smooth curry. The pav is lightly toasted on a griddle with butter, and served alongside the bhaji, garnished with freshly chopped onions, coriander leaves, and a squeeze of lemon. Pav Bhaji is a delicious and satisfying dish that is loved by people of all ages. It is often served at street stalls, restaurants, and even at home for a quick and easy meal. It can be customized to suit different tastes and spice.